Welcome to FedScoop TV. I'm Whitney Wyckoff. Here with me now at the 2016 Mobile Gov Summit is Tom Beach. Tom is the Senior Advisor to the Undersecretary and Director. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me, Whitney.
Is your agency being overwhelmed by this data tsunami that we're hearing about, and what are you doing to keep your head above water?
Wow, that's a great choice of words, and absolutely yes. So we've just issued our 9 millionth patent.
Wow.
So that means an ever-rising ocean, or tsunami in this instance, of data is out there in the world that we must scour at all times to know when we do patent prosecution and trademark prosecution. So we have to know about all this information that exists anywhere and around the world. So for us, it's a massive amount of data to sift through, to decide, make our decisions, as well as our data that we disseminate to the public.
Okay, and so how are you making that data work for you? How are you sifting through that data?
So we go through it using various tools, but we're also looking at leveraging open data to provide the public with more access to our data so they're a more informed applicant. So if they better understand innovation through patent and trademark technology data, then they're able to file quality patent applications and trademark applications, and that in turn helps us.
Right, and that's an important priority for your agency.
Absolutely,
right
it's
now.
our core mission.
Yeah, and so how important is open data to citizens? You touched on this before, and how can they best interact with the data that you have?
Oh, great question. So we use our data, and our data is important as a metric or a foreshadowing of innovation. It's a data that you could use to predict where technology is headed, making it interoperable with other data from other agencies as well as private sector data. We'll be able to shed light on what's been commercially successful and what hasn't. So I think that's a great way to understand the horizon of technology and development by better mapping it out and understanding it through our data would make any citizen, whether it's young, old, or whatever background you have from anywhere in the world, come up with something new and innovative.
Great. Well, it sounds like you've got some exciting things going on at the Patent Office there.
Yes, we do. We just released the Developer Hub, developer.uspto.gov. It's a place where you can come and learn something, share something, and create something, and that's with visualization tools, share with our community, as well as learning about our data assets.
And there's a lot of interactive elements to those innovation tools, so people can go to your site and play with your different visualizations to really get a sense of what information you have.
Absolutely, and we looked at a way of providing it in a low barrier to entry format. That means complex data about patents and trademarks can be readily understood by mashing it with other data, such as census data, earnings per share data. We do interesting visualizations on patent portfolios against GDP or different states that are being more innovative than others. We have a fun visualization on universities where you can see which university is more or less innovative than another by the number of patents and trademarks they receive.
Great. Well, thanks for taking the time to stop by and tell us about some of the stuff that you have going on there.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Whitney.
All right, thanks.
Thanks.
For more videos, visit our website at fedscoop.com. For FedScoop TV, I'm Whitney Wyckoff. Thanks for watching.